In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a wooden gym rack that has a pull-up bar, a squat rack, a bench press, and a deadlifting rack. Enjoy! If you plan to build this yourself, I made a chart with all the different pieces of wood I used in this build. I cut the 8-foot 2x4 in half for two 4-foot pieces. Then I cut another two pieces that are 6 feet 8 inches. Next, I cut out the 45-degree post supports. Now I sand down all the wood for a smooth finish. Next, I drill out a pilot hole for the pull-up bar. Then I drill out the hole using a 1.5 inch spade bit. Then I screw the base and the post together. Then I connect the 45-degree post supports as well. I cut two pieces of wood 4 feet long, then I screw the horizontal supports into place. Now I cut out the diagonal support beams using a skill saw. I used two pieces of 3/4 inch black steel pipe. I insert the 3/4 inch metal rod in the two pipes, then I welded the two pipes together. Then I use a wire wheel and an angle grinder flap disc to clean up the weld joint. For making weights, I used concrete blocks and drilled multiple holes until I had one large hole in the concrete block. Then I ended up making a bench press using a 2x12x8 and some scrap 2x3s. This concludes my wooden gym rack build. I'll see you in the next one.